to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we are going to be showing you how we make a house chow mein on the 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle.
Yeah, I'm excited. House chow mein is my favorite because it uses all 3 proteins.
So we're going to be doing a beef, a chicken, shrimp, broccoli, udon noodles. This is like just a creation, and it's going to be all stir-fried together out on the Blackstone griddle.
Yummy.
A couple breaking news items. Babe and I have now committed to a regular upload schedule. Our plan is to upload a new video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's Los Angeles time, with 1 live stream on the weekends. So that's 3 videos a week from Josh and Babe. That's Josh and Babe overload. Summer's coming. Really, it doesn't even matter the season. For just over $100, you guys can pick up your own flat top griddle. These things are amazing. We cook so much stuff on it. Link below.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
And here we go!
Okay, so before we go outside to our Blackstone, we have to put our sauce together. Right now I'm just shaving all the peel off of the garlic. Off of the ginger. So I have a chunk about this big that's going to go in. That's probably going to equal about a tablespoon, maybe a little more. We're going to put about 3 cloves of fresh garlic in. And it's all going into my trusty Ninja Foodie processor. What is this? Ninja processor. And this is my favorite tool. So you can find the link below.
And now that we have that in, let's finish the sauce.
2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3. You can also use Japanese wine. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. About a tablespoon of sugar.
That was far more than a tablespoon.
That was about a tablespoon. 1/4 cup of beef broth. Okay, a tablespoon of cornstarch. Make it nice and thick. Since Josh loves sriracha so much, we'll put some of that in there to spice it up. I'm gonna grab our udon noodles. These are my favorite. They remind me of when I was a kid and we would go to the mall and get Chinese food. So these are the thicker noodles. Because you can use thin or you can use thick. You can use top ramen noodles, whatever you want. These are my favorite though. We have a 1/2 pound of shrimp. We have about 1 pound of flap steak, but you can use any kind of beef you want. There's all sorts of good ones. Then we have chicken. I gotta grab that. Chicken that I've pre-made. And we have broccoli and green onions to top it off. Josh refused to let me use cabbage, carrots, or bean sprouts. Now I like that in my chow mein. Babe, Josh does not. So we're doing it his way. We are back here in the backyard, taking the tails off of my shrimp right now. I just bought the kind that's already deveined. We have water boiling for our udon noodles. They take about 60 seconds. You just drop them in real quick before we throw those on the Blackstone with all the other goodies. Slice up some broccoli with my nice knife. I'm going to throw the broccoli down first, so we're going to put a little oil on the grill here. Broccoli takes a little bit to cook. Whoa! Welcome to the party. It's cooking in about 4 minutes. Let it hang out right there on low. So we're getting the broccoli, the beef, the shrimp, the chicken all cooked. And then last, we're going to throw our noodles and our sauce in to finish it all off. So we're just going to use the noodles. There is a packet of sauce in here. Chicken flavor. Kind of like a fancy top ramen. We're not going to use that. Maybe we'll save it for something else. This is what our noodles look like. We're putting them into really warm water. It doesn't have to be boiling, for 60 seconds so that it can separate them. And you're just going to put them in. You're going to kind of move them around. While we wait for those, let's incorporate our broccoli over here into our meat. We're going to take all these noodles that are broken up. Woo! We're going to throw them over here. And we're going to mix it all together. Okay, we got these babies going. Let's put our sauce on. Here we go with our yummy sauce. Oh yeah.
Are you picking out the extra shrimp just for you, babe?
Yeah, I love shrimp. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Oh, I'm ready to try your creation.
And see how good this is. Is it flavorful?
I love the fat noodles.
Yeah, see, I told you. Fat noodles are awesome, huh?
Shrimp base. No. No, they're really good, babe.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So would you venture to say that I was right and you were wrong?
Yeah, we've been debating house chow mein all day.
And you didn't think it was a thing?
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, babe.
Because, I'll tell you why it's good, babe.
Because you have all three meats?
No. Because, because remember we were arguing about how fast you were going to pull it out of the water and put it on there? And you're like, no, I don't want it to be all the way done, blah, 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 blah. Well, it's soaked in all the sauce. It's soaked in the ginger and the sriracha and stuff like that. So now the noodles are just,
Yeah, aren't they perfect?
yeah.
So again, would you say I was right?
Yeah, you win this one, babe.
Yeah!
Yeah. Tell everybody about our new Tuesday, Thursday live stream weekend schedule. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Do you want a Lady and Tramp? One of these with me?
No, I'm good. I love you, though.
Somebody will.
Hashtag ring fund.
See you on the next one. I'll be eating. Until then. That is good.